Hey, this is the DIY Magician with another grab bag special. We go to thrift stores and we find the grab bags, we bring them back here, we open them up, and we have fun in the process. So hang on, we'll be right back. Here we go, we've got a new bag, and this one was $1.99. So to see properly, we're gonna go ahead, get my glasses on. Now, I got this one, I believe, because it had a Teletubby in there, and I think that's pretty funny. This is Teletubby Poe, or is it Pooh, or Pooh? P-O, Poe. It says, over the hills and far away, Teletubbies come to play. Here come the Teletubbies, Tinky, Winky, Dipsy, Lala, and Pooh. 4 technological babies who love each other very much and live happily together in their own world of childhood fantasy. Poe is the smallest Teletubby. She is often seen zipping around the hills on her scooter and loves to keep an eye on the panel switches and controls inside the Teletubbies house. Teletubbies is a program all about the joy of play and is a landmark in preschool comedy. Preschool comedy. And it's so it's Poe the Teletubby. Maybe you can see some TV there. Can we watch some TV? Wow, that's pretty cool. So this is Poe. Okay, so Poe's right there, right like that. All right, now let's see what else is in here. What else do we have? We have a moose Beanie Boppers. Ooh, they jumped on the bandwagon there. Beanie Boppers, the 24K company, TM. This one is Mikey. Mikey, it's a moose. Mikey the moose. All right. We have a fish that is, it's called Lips. Lips, I would imagine, because of this lips right there. Okay, Lips. Now, we have what appear to be, I don't know, let's see. It's a Nintendo brand. It's something probably from one of the Nintendo deals. Somebody will tell me what it is, I'm sure. Watch, it can fly. Look at that. It can fly. Maybe if I do it up here. Ready? There we go. Okay, it's some sort of bird there. And now here is a